Oh, it's a beautiful sight that we think airshow. We are broadcasting on television and we are going out all over the world at the moment. So we will be using English as the official language throughout the show. For the Silver Falcons, one art in the team. His call sign is Marlowe. Also rose through the ranks at British Airways, Comair. So Martin Lowe, date of birth 13th of May, matriculated at Boys High School, Helpmacar, joined the Air Force in 1973, the BBJ, the Fokker F-27, Baron King Air Caravan RV-8, total number of hours 14,000.
고마워.
So folks, we had a career day yesterday. It's still on today. If you would like to, especially all the youth, you're cordially the radial pair. The sound you hear occasionally, that beating sound, is the tip of the propeller. The sound barrier. That's the noise you hear there. You'll hear some very interesting noise today. And we'll explain to you what it is. The beautiful Watch the two Harvards now as they fly towards us for the break. Okay, thank you to the Harvard pilots. Let's give them a nice big round of applause. Coming up next, it's time for Fighter Town. And the man that said, how many hours you got on Hawk now? See, your badges keep changing. Is that like per 1,000 hours?
Unfortunately not 1,000 hours, Brian, but I have just over the 200 hours now on Hawks.
And tell me, apart from being a first-class Hawk pilot,